We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.